Have you ever noticed something strange?
You understand English videos. You understand songs. You even understand memes.
But when a friend says something to you in English, in real life,
Your brain just stops.
why does that happen?
Today, we're gonna fix that. Sentence by sentence.
Hey! Welcome back to Easy Lingo English. I'm Paul.
And I'm Anna, and today is a big one.
A really big one. 150 sentences.
Not textbook sentences, real sentences. The kind friends say to each other every single day.
At school, on the bus, walking home, playing outside, everywhere.
Because honestly, this is the English nobody teaches you in school.
Here's how it works. Anna and I say the sentence. First slow, then natural.
Then we pause. And you repeat it out loud, not in your head.
Even if it feels a little wrong, that's okay. That's how your mouth learns.
Ready?
Let's go.
Part 1. Meeting friends at school.
Okay, imagine this. It's morning. You see your friend outside school.
This is how it starts. Number 1. Hey, good morning.
Number 2. Did you sleep well? Number 3. I'm so tired today. Number 4. Let's walk together. Number 5. Wait for me. Number 6. I'm coming. Number 7. Did you do the homework? Number 8. I forgot my homework. Number 9. Don't worry, I can help you. Number 10. Thank you so much.
10 down. And honestly, these are the exact words I said to my friends every morning growing up. Number 11. What class do we have first? Number 12. I think it's math. Number 13. I don't like math. Number 14. Me neither. It's so hard. Number 15. Let's sit together. Number 16. Save me a seat. Number 17. I already did. Number 18. You're the best. Number 19. I know, right? Number 20. Okay, let's go inside. 20 sentences. And notice something. No hard grammar, no big words, just real talk. Part 2. On the school bus.
Okay, next scene. You're getting on the bus. Number 21. Is this seat taken? Number 22. No, go ahead. Number 23. Can I sit next to you? Number 24. Of course, come on. Number 25. The bus is so full today. Number 26. I know, it's crazy. Number 27. Move a little, please. Number 28. Sorry. Number 29. Look out the window. Number 30. It's raining outside.
You're doing so well. Keep going. Number 31. I forgot my umbrella. Number 32. You can share mine. Number 33. Thanks, that's really kind. Number 34. How far is your stop? Number 35. Just 2 more stops. Number 36. This bus is so slow today. Number 37. I know, we're going to be late. Number 38. Don't worry, we still have time. Number 39. Almost there. Number 40. Okay, this is my stop. 40 sentences. And here's the strange part. Most people never realize how much English happens
in a 5-minute bus ride.
Part 3. In class and hallway.
Now let's go inside. Class. Hallway. Quiet whispers to friends. Number 41. Psst, can I borrow a pen? Number 42. Sure, here you go. Number 43. Thank you. Number 44. Did you study for the test? Number 45. A little bit, not much. Number 46. Me too, I'm nervous. Number 47. It's gonna be okay. Number 48. I hope so. Number 49. What did question 3 say? Number 50. I have no idea.
Halfway through the middle section. 50 sentences in.
Seriously, that's not small.
Number 51. Let's ask the teacher. Number 52. Good idea. Number 53. Can I ask you something? Number 54. Yeah, of course. Number 55. Can you explain this to me? Number 56. Sure, look at this part. Number 57. Oh, now I understand. Number 58. See, it's not so hard. Number 59. You're a really good friend. Number 60. Anytime. That's what friends are for.
60 sentences! And your mouth is already getting used to this. Can you feel it? Part 4. Walking home together.
School's over. Now you're walking home with a friend. Number 61. Are you walking home too? Number 62. Yeah, let's go together. Number 63. It's so hot today. Number 64. I know, I'm sweating already. Number 65. Let's walk in the shade. Number 66. Good idea. Number 67. Did you see that new store?
Number 68. Yeah, it looks so cool. Number 69. Let's check it out sometime. Number 70. Definitely. Maybe this weekend. 70 sentences. You're more than halfway. Keep breathing. Keep speaking. Number 71. My feet hurt a little. Number 72. Mine too. Let's slow down. Number 73. Watch out for that car. Number 74. Oh, thank you. Number 75. That was close. Number 76. Are you okay? Number 77. Yeah, I'm fine. Number 78. Almost at my house. Number 79. See you tomorrow. Number 80. See you tomorrow. Bye. 80. And honestly, even that little sentence, watch out for that car. That's a real sentence a real friend says. Not from a textbook, from real life.
Part 5. Playing after school.
Now the fun part. Playing outside with friends. Number 81. Do you want to play outside? Number 82. Yes, let's go. Number 83. What do you want to play? Number 84. How about basketball? Number 85. Sounds good to me. Number 86. I'll get the ball. Number 87. Wait for me. Number 88. Okay, you go first. Number 89. Nice shot. Number 90. Thanks. Your turn.
These next 10 are my favorite. This is what real friendship in English sounds like. Number 91. This is so much fun. Number 92. I know, I love this. Number 93. Can we play one more game? Number 94. Sure, just one more. Number 95. I'm getting tired now. Number 96. Me too. Let's take a break. Number 97. Let's sit here and rest. Number 98. Good idea. Number 99. That was a great game. Number 100. Yeah, we should play again soon.
100. Read that number again. You just spoke 100 sentences of real English.
Part 6. Lunch and Cafeteria.
Okay, back to school for a moment. Lunchtime. Number 101. What did you bring for lunch? Number 102. I have a sandwich. Number 103. That looks good. Number 104. Do you want to try it? Number 105. Sure, just a little bit. Number 106. Here you go. Number 107. That's really good. Number 108. Thank you. Number 109. What are you drinking? Number 110. Just water. Number 111. Can I sit here? Number 112. Of course, sit down. Number 113. This food is delicious. Number 114. I agree. I love this place. Number 115. Let's eat here again tomorrow. 15 more.
And honestly, this is the English you use with a full mouth, laughing, not thinking about grammar at all. That's the goal.
Part 7. Texting friends. Now let's switch. Not talking out loud, texting. But we still say it out loud because your brain learns through your voice too. Number 116. Hey, are you free later?
Number 117. Yeah, what's up? Number 118. Do you want to hang out? Number 119. Sure, where shall we meet? Number 120. Let's meet at the park. Number 121. What time? Number 122. How about 5 o'clock? Number 123. Sounds good. See you then. Number 124. Don't be late. Number 125. I won't, I promise. Number 126. Can't wait to see you. Number 127. Me too. Number 128. Okay, see you soon. Number 129. Bye for now. Number 130. Talk to you later.
130. 15 years. 15 sentences left. Sorry. Let's finish strong.
Part 8. Saying goodbye. Last part, the end of the day. This is where it gets a little emotional.
Number 131. It's getting late. Number 132. Yeah, I should go home. Number 133. Today was really fun. Number 134. It really was. Number 135. Thanks for hanging out with me. Number 136. Anytime. I always have fun with you. Number 137. Let's do this again soon. Number 138. Definitely. I can't wait. Number 139. Text me when you get home. Number 140. I will. Don't worry.
10 sentences left. Stay with us. Number 141. Have a good night. Number 142. You too. Sleep well. Number 143. See you at school tomorrow. Number 144. See you tomorrow. Number 145. Bye. Number 146. Bye-bye. Number 147. Take care of yourself. Number 148. You too. Number 149. You're such a good friend. Number 150. So are you. See you soon.
150! You did that!
And I want you to think about something. Every single sentence in this episode, a real friend said it to another real friend. Today, this week, somewhere in the world.
That's what English actually is. It's not grammar rules. It's not a list of vocabulary.
It's, wait for me. It's, is this seat taken? It's, you're such a good friend.
And here's the strange part. You don't need to be perfect to say any of these. You just need to say them.
Think of it like learning to ride a bike. Nobody rides perfectly the first day. They wobble, they fall a little, but they keep pedaling. And one day, they stop thinking about it. They just ride. That's exactly what's happening in your mouth right now. A little wobble, a little practice, and one day, it's just natural.
So here's what I want you to do.
Next time you're with a friend, walking, texting, sitting on a bus,
Don't overthink it.
Just use one sentence from today, even one.
even the smallest one. Wait for me. See you tomorrow. That's how it starts.
And come back tomorrow, we'll practice more. Every day you listen, every day you repeat,
You become a little more natural, a little more confident, a little more you in English.
You're closer to fluent than you think.
See you next time.
See you next time.
If this helped you, hit subscribe. We post a new shadowing episode like this regularly.
And here's your homework. Go to the comments and write one sentence you'll say to a friend today. Just one.
We read every single comment.
see you down there. Bye, everyone.
Bye.